morning, dear student. Welcome to all in today's video lecture. Dear student, we have seen the concept of utility in previous lecture, and now today we are going to learn the features of utility. Before explaining the features of utility, we should know that what is utility. So utility is a capacity of commodity and services to satisfy human wants. In another word, it can be defined as want satisfying power of commodity and services is called as utility. So today we are going to learn the features of utility. So utility has many features. Out of them, first 5 features of utility will be discussed in today's lecture. So, utility is a relative concept. Second, utility is subjective concept. Then, utility is ethically neutral concept. Utility differs from usefulness, and then it is differs from pleasure. So, these 5 features of utility will be learned in today's lecture. Student, we know that utility means want satisfying power of commodity. So it has many features. So first features of utility is known as relative concept. So concept of utility is relative. So it is related with place and time. Concept of utility is always related with time and place, and therefore we can say that it is time relative concept. So it is time relative means utility of the commodity differs from time to time. If time of utilization of a commodity changes, then utility from the commodity also changes. So it is related with time. So it is time relative concept. Concept of utility is time relative concept. It means utility of the commodity may be changes due to change in time. So here we may take the example of time how utility is related with time. So cotton clothes in summer and woolen cloth in winter have more utility. So cotton cloth have more utility during the summer, and woolen clothes has greater utility during the winter season. So utility of the commodity may be increases due to change in time. So here we may take many examples related to these features of utility. So umbrella has very less utility during the summer season, but it has greater utility during the rainy season. So utility of the commodity is always related with time, and therefore we can say that it is time relative concept. How it is? Time relative concept. So concept of utility is time relative as well as it is place relative concept also. It means utility of the commodity is always related with place. If place of utilization changes, utility from the commodity also changes. So here utility of the commodity is related with place. Therefore we can say that it is place relative concept. So here we may take very easy example related with place utility, like woolen cloth has less utility in Mumbai. Woolen clothes has less utility in Mumbai, but it has more utility in Kashmir, which is very cold place. So here utility of woolen cloth it changes. Why? Due to change in utilization. Therefore we can say that it is always related with place. So utility is a place relative concept. It is time relative as well as it is place relative concept also. Then second feature of utility is it is subjective concept. Concept of utility is subjective concept. It means utility of a commodity cannot be same for all individuals. So here utility of the commodity cannot be same for all individual. It differs from person to person. Utility of the commodity differs from person to person. Here why it is changed with person to person? Due to differences in taste, preferences, choice, likes, dislikes, as well as psychological attitude and behavior of the consumer, which is different than another, and therefore one commodity may have greater utility for one person, but another person does not have utility in that particular commodity. It means utility of the commodity differs with person to person. Why? Because likes, dislikes, preferences, choice, and psychological attitude of each person is different than another person, and therefore same commodity have different level of utility due to his psychological attitude, behavior, preferences, choice, taste, habit, likes, and dislikes. Therefore, one commodity may have different degree of utility to the different individual. Here we may take very easy example. Book. Book has more utility for educated people. Book has more utility for educated people. But the same unit of book has zero utility for illiterate person. Which type of person? Illiterate person has zero utility in books, but book has more utility for educated people. It means utility of the same commodity is different to different person. It means it is varies with person to person. And why? Because psychological attitude, psychological behavior, as well as taste, habit, preferences, choice, likes, and dislike of each person is different than another person, and therefore utility of the same commodity will be different to the different consumer. Here we may take very easy example in our routine life. Chicken. Chicken has zero utility to vegetarian person, but same commodity, it means chicken has more utility for non-vegetarian person. So utility of the same commodity is changed person to person, and therefore we can say that utility is a subjective concept. Utility has no ethical consideration. It is morally neutral concept. Concept of utility is morally neutral concept. A commodity which possesses utility may satisfy any want. The commodity which possesses utility may satisfy any want. It does not make any difference between that want is good or bad, that want is moral or immoral. So such type of difference on the ground of morality is not made in the concept of utility. If that commodity possesses utility, it means if that commodity has power to satisfy human wants, that want may be good, that want may be bad, that want may be moral, want may be immoral. Such type of difference does not take place in the concept of utility, and therefore we can say that it is moralless concept. How it is? morally colorless concept. So ethically utility is a neutral concept. Here we may take very easy example. NIP has utility to housewife to cut the vegetables. So देखिए NIP has for housewife to cut the vegetables. Same units of the commodity can be used to kill someone. So in another word, it has utility killer also. Same commodity has different type of utility, like one is moral and another is immoral, one is good, another is, but such type of moral consideration does not take place in the concept of utility. In another word, we can say that it is ethically neutral concept, it is morally colorless concept. It does not make any type of difference between want, like good, bad, moral, immoral. It only focus on want satisfying power of commodity. When that want may be good, that want may be bad, that may be moral or immoral, whatever it may be, but it does not make any type of difference between the wants, and therefore it is says that utility is a ethically neutral concept. NIP has utility for housewife also, and as well as it has utility for killer also, to kill someone, and therefore we can see that it utility does not make any type of difference between the words. So it is ethically neutral concept. Then next features of utility is utility is difference from usefulness. Utility is difference from usefulness. So utility is the want satisfying power of commodity, whereas usefulness means the benefit derived by consumer from the consumption of commodity. So utility means want satisfying power of commodity, whereas usefulness is the benefit which derived by consumer from the consumption of commodity. So here satisfaction, it means usefulness, is totally different from the concept of utility. So utility express the level of satisfaction of the consumer, and whereas usefulness indicate value in use of that particular commodity. So utility express the level of satisfaction and usefulness indicate value in use of that particular commodity. So here utility is different from the usefulness. Here we may take very easy example related to the utility, like liquor. It has utility for drunkards. Liquor has utility for drunkards because his wants can be satisfied with liquor, and therefore liquor has utility for drunkard. But is it useful to consumer? Is it useful to consumer? No. It means it does not have benefit. It does not have any type of benefit. In another word, it is not useful to him. Consumption of liquor is not useful to him, but it may have utility. So here commodity may have, sometimes may have utility, but consumption of that particular commodity may not provide any type of usefulness to the consumer. So liquor has utility because it has power to satisfy the wants of consumer, but liquor is not useful to his health. So utility and usefulness both are different from one another. Usefulness indicates value in use of that particular commodity. Usefulness means benefit which derived by the consumer from that particular commodity, and utility is different than it. Utility means want satisfying power. If commodity has power to satisfy anyone, so it has utility. But usefulness means the benefit of that particular commodity derived by the consumer from the consumption of commodity, and therefore utility is totally different from the concept of usefulness. As well as we may take very easy example in our life. Cigarette. Cigarette has utility for smoker, but it is not useful to the consumer. It is not useful to the smoker. Therefore, there is a warning on the pocket of cigarette. Cigarette smoking is injurious to health. So here it has utility, but it is not useful to the consumer, and therefore utility is different from the concept of usefulness. Then, test of utility, it is differs from pleasure also. The concept of utility is differs from the concept of pleasure. So here utility and pleasure are different. Like a commodity may have utility, but consumption of commodity may not provide pleasure or happiness to the consumer. So utility is totally different from the concept of pleasure. Utility means one satisfying power, whereas pleasure means happiness from that commodity. What is pleasure? Pleasure means happiness realized by consumer from that commodity. So that pleasure, happiness is different than utility. Commodity may have utility, but sometime consumption of that commodity may not provide pleasure or happiness to the consumer. Here we may take very easy example related to these features. Injection. Injection has utility for patient. Injection has utility for patient because wants of patient can be satisfied with the use of injection. Therefore, it has utility, no doubt. But is it provide pleasure to the patient? No. Is it provide happiness to the patient? No. So here commodity may have utility, but consumption of commodity may not provide happiness or pleasure to the consumer. We may have experience to take an injection also. It has utility, no doubt, but it is painful to the patient. So it has utility, but it may not provide pleasure to the consumer, and therefore utility is difference with the concept of pleasure. So here, student, we have seen 5 features of utility. First, it is relative concept. It means it is always related with time and place. It varies with change in time and place of utilization. Then utility is subjective concept. It means it changes with person to person due to his like and psychological attitudes and psychological behavior. Then it is ethically neutral concept. Moral consideration does not take place in concept of utility. Then it is different from the usefulness also. Usefulness means benefit by consumer from the commodity, and utility means want satisfying power. Both are different from one another, and last is utility differs from pleasure. So pleasure means happiness from the commodity, and whereas utility means want satisfying power. Commodity may have utility, but it may not provide pleasure to the consumer. So therefore it is also different from utility. So here we have seen 5 features of utility in today's lecture. Thank you, dear student. Thank you once again.